whenever you get any Android phone or Samsung especially, so just do these few settings regarding your brightness, about your brightness, so your battery will long last. So just go into the settings. You'll find there is a tab which is called display. When you go into the display, you can make it darker, which saves your battery. And for the brightness, you can just turn on that adaptive brightness, so whenever you just go into the dark, so the screen reduce itself and it will save your battery. When you go outside, so the brightness automatically turn up or the maximum level. It depends how brighter or how darker atmosphere. So this other one is when you go a little down, you can just simple change a screen resolution. So that's if you're the high-end user of that any cell phone. So that you need this is 3200 into 1440, which is a ultra, I mean it's a super one. So but if you go for this one, this is a normal, they recommend it, but if you want to make your battery more longer, so just try this thing and it will give you the better result, not the best, and this is the best, and this is the of course super. So but this is a recommended from them, so let's put on that too. And the one more thing, when you just lock your phone, so just set this timer so it will automatically lock and black the screen display, so it will save your screen. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video.